So guys, for the first method, you want to find the file or the folder you're having a problem with. You want to right click on it and then click on properties. Make sure that you're on the general tab, and now on the bottom if it says unblock, you want to tick this box to unblock it and then click on OK. Try to open it now, see if that works. For the next method, if it's a file that you're trying to run, then you want to right click on it and then click on run as admin and then click on yes. See if that works. You also want to make sure that you're using an admin account, so you want to go to search and type in control panel. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to set the view by to category and then click on change account type. You want to find your user account, double click on it and then click on change the account type. Make sure that it's been set to an admin and then click on change account type. See if that works. If it's a folder that you're trying to open, then you want to right click on it and then click on properties and then click on security and then click on edit and then click on add. You want to type in this box right here, everyone, and then click on check names, which will then underline everyone and then click on OK. Next, you want to select everyone and then you want to select allow next to full control. So tick the box, allow next to full control and then click on OK. Now you want to click on advanced. In this box, you want to type in everyone, click on check names and then click on OK. Select this, replace owner, and then tick this box as well, and then click on OK, and then click on yes, and then click on OK again. It should now let you open up the folder. See if that works.